Welcome to ELD device driver training. We have the PCT is what they're calling out, PeopleNet Connected Tablet.
All right, so when you're completely ready to sign out of the truck for weekend home time, you want to go to eDriver Logs, click on your status. You're going to do off-duty sign out. It might be pulling in your log data. Right here, it's going to prompt you on a DVIR post trip for your truck and trailer. We're going to say no defect there, finish, and voila! When you see that screen, you're officially signed out of the truck.
So best practices for logging out, be sure to add your post-trip DVIR before logging out or going into sleeper berth for your 10-hour break. You should log out by going to the status icon. The driver's log should not remain on the vehicle even if they're the only driver using the vehicle. Always log out when you're at the pull yard for service or any shop for repairs. Log out when leaving truck for weekend home time. Also, once a week, we want you to do diagnostics on the PeopleNet. Click on Options, click on Diagnostics. You'll see this form come up. If there's any kind of issues with the device, usually it will correct itself in 24 hours. If the issue continues, you definitely want to get a hold of dispatch right away. So make sure you do run diagnostics on your unit once per week. If your PCT has a major malfunction, you must notify dispatch in writing within 24 hours. So either shoot us an email, text us. Pole will route you back to the yard for repair, and we only have 8 days to get the malfunction fixed or the unit replaced. You must operate on paper logs if the PCT has a compliance malfunction.